got all the gray off of it, or as much as I am going to get off of it. So now let's spray this thing, see how that does. Got some dark walnut. It's been an hour. We're gonna hit it again. I still need to just sand these off. Oh crap. Emergency, emergency. Stupid breaker. Alright, and we're back. Got this done. The spray, way more of this comes out than you think. So even though you have a light coat, just wipe it down really good, because I had a couple of spots that were pretty thick. Doesn't matter. I also tried some stuff based on the internet. It was really bad. It was really thick in some spots over here, so I added some baking soda, which is supposed to soak it up, which is understandable, but I feel like there's still a fine mist of baking soda. Baking soda on it. I still feel like there's a fine mist of baking soda on it. I feel like I want to hit it with like some 220 because it's a little bit gritty, and I've blown it off with my air compressor a few times. I'll do it one more time just to see. Yeah, even where I blow off, it doesn't, it still feels gritty. Yeah, that's what it needed. All right. Quiet. 4 hours. Shut up. All right, now that the thing is quiet, we're gonna put some polyurethane on here. This is, it says basically spray it the exact same way, you know, 10 to 12 inches away, light coats. But it says in between each coat, you gotta wait 4 hours. Is that what it says? 4 hours? That doesn't make any sense. Hang on, reading it again. Preparation, nobody cares. Spray mist coat holding 10 to 12 inches. Application. Shake can. Done. Use a drop cloth. No. Protect surroundings. No. Spray light mist coats holding 10 to 12 inches from the surface. Maybe we'll see. Move can with a smooth. Won't do that. Come on. Where's it? Several light coats. Here we go. Allow finish to dry 4 hours, then recoat. Dry to the touch in 2. So that kind of sucks. You got to do a light coat and then wait 4 hours and do another light coat 4 hours. And I think it said somewhere in there only 3 coats. So stupid. Do I want to go? No, my arm. I don't have go-go gadget arm, so we're going to do it this way. But which way is the front? I'm going to do it I care more about this getting done than that, because that's the back. Are we ready? And I just sealed up. I didn't seal anything. I just stained the edges, so they need like 2 hours to cure before I can put this on them. So, but you know, any of the stuff that filters over there and you know, gets on, I'm okay with it. I'm okay with it. And I think it said I got to sand to 220 in between coats. It's really a pain in the butt. Polyurethane is kind of a pain in the butt. And I know a lot of people don't like lacquer, but because it looks kind of more plastic than polyurethane, but I don't know. All right, don't overdo it. You know, who cares? Get off there, weed, or whatever the heck you are. Alright, I went over 2 coats, kind of fat. I'm going to do it again here. I'm going to go this way. Oh, that's what you don't want, is droplets. We're not doing droplets. Stop while you're ahead. Quit while you're ahead. I tell myself as I keep spraying. You see those little droplets right there? That's what you don't want. I did a few over there too. Here's what's funny. 99.9% of the time, this and that you won't be able to see at all because it will be covered with clothes. This is going above my... If I haven't mentioned it before, this is going to be a folding table that goes on top of my washer and dryer. So nobody will ever see my work right here, which is great, other than me and you and my dog, who can't wait to get outside here. What do you want? What do you want? Come on. Are you coming out? No, you're not coming out. You're dumb. See, they like to scratch at the door and bark until I open the door, and then they don't come out. Like, I thought they wanted to come out and hang out with me, but they don't. Anyway. Literally doesn't make any sense. That's that later. It does not fit. We're going to have to repaint the walls anyway, but I'm marking them up pretty bad. So I need to shave just a tiny bit off of this thing. So I'm going to go do that. I just need to shave like a blade off of one side. I think that should work. So what the hell? Look at all that. Alright, so now it fits good. Take those pedestals off, get this thing out of here. This right here was the shelf that was up against the wall, so I'm going to just keep it in here and put it somewhere to organize more things or deorganize more things, or I'm not sure, but it's going to live in the garage now and maybe I'll make some use for it. I don't know, we'll see. New plan of action in here. This wall back here, it's not flat, so I'm not going to attach it back there. Plus boss woman wants it kind of up flush with this. I don't know. Anyway, it also, I wasn't going to have any access to these if I needed it to get there, and this was going to be an issue. So I think what we're going to do is we're going to put the sides on and the back, and then it's just going to free float. I might do one of those like anti-stick mats that you put underneath like a carpet or something so that it doesn't slide around all the time. And then we have more of this peel and stick stuff that we'll do a couple layers down, clean the wall up. Got to paint. So the next thing I'm going to do though is put the sides and the back on. One thing that table did for me already from the laundry room is make a very unstable work surface, so this is good. I think my problem is going to be when I attach these, I'm not going to be able to get them into the laundry room because there's a window there, and the walls on either side of the laundry room bow in the middle, and then on this side there's a window frame, and then it kind of opens up as you get towards the back, and then the back wall is very wavy. So I'm going to attach the sides and the back right now and then hope that I can shove it in there, but we'll see. Flip it on over. Yeah, I didn't restain this side. Let's get us some clampages. Let's see, one of these is, yeah, that one is completely ruined from resin. This one is almost ruined from resin. And then there's this one. So, am I that far off on the cut? That doesn't seem right. Yeah, she's off. She's off by a lot more than I thought she was. And those are the pedestals that we're sitting on. We just never used them. It was nice to have the washer and dryer up a little bit higher, but just for some reason we never did use those. So let's get this bad boy in place. Where's my line? To address my line. Let's see. Everything's a workbench. I saw the spark. It was a nail. Alright, so I want this to be right there. That's the ticket. That's the ticket. What the hell? Well, there's your problem. She ain't got no gas in her. There it is. Living on the edge. Piece of... Oh, what the hell? Done. Oh yeah, nice and jacked up now. Let's go see if she fits, shall we? Oh, I see what I did. There. And I do have some I don't know if you can hear me with the washer running. I do have some veneer coming that I'm going to cover this with. We're just going to leave it as is. Yeah, somebody else can clean it. Put the veneer on it. There you go, folding table.